Can you show me the most underutilized tool in your toolbox?
Oh boy. Underutilized.
Yeah.
God. How about the most expensive underutilized tool?
Yep.
My ball joint press.
Yeah, there's a lot of them, unfortunately. Probably say this ball joint tool. It's really nice when you have it, but
Yeah.
I've used it maybe twice. It's for Subarus. I bought this seal puller. I just normally use a screwdriver if I can. Honda socket for pulling off crank pulleys. It's nice, but I don't use it that much since I bought it.
What's the most expensive thing that you never use?
Most expensive.
Do you know?
I mean, I kind of use this a lot. This is a digital torque wrench. This is like $800 or $900. It's really nice because it does angles and everything like that, but I don't use it as much as I did, I guess, when I first bought it.
Yeah.
Because I don't do much engine stuff anymore.